Hi there, little explorers. Today we're going on an incredible journey with a special friend, a salmon named Sandy. Let's follow Sandy as she travels from the river to the ocean and back again. Our story begins in a peaceful river where Sandy, the salmon, starts her life as a tiny egg. One day, Sandy wiggles out of her egg and becomes a little salmon fry ready to explore the world around her. Sandy spends her early days in the river learning to swim, find food, and stay safe. She makes friends with other young salmon, and together they grow bigger and stronger, preparing for the big journey ahead. As Sandy grows, it's time for the next big adventure. She and her friends start swimming downstream, leaving the calm river behind. They pass through forests and mountains, heading towards the vast open ocean. The ocean is a whole new world for Sandy. Here, she meets all kinds of amazing creatures, from giant whales to speedy dolphins. Sandy has to be brave and smart, learning to find food and avoid danger in this vast, salty sea. Over the years, Sandy grows bigger and stronger, becoming a powerful salmon. She swims far and wide, exploring the colorful coral reefs and deep blue waters. But even though the ocean is exciting, Sandy knows that one day she must return to the river where she was born. One day, Sandy feels it's time to go home. She begins the long journey back to the river. This time, the journey is tough. She has to swim against strong currents and even jump over waterfalls. But Sandy is determined to return to her home. After a long and challenging journey, Sandy finally reaches her home river. She swims upstream, through the same waters where she was born. At last she finds a safe spot among the rocks and lays her eggs, just like her mother did. Soon, Sandy's eggs hatch and new little salmon fry begin their own journey. Sandy rests peacefully, knowing that she has completed her amazing journey from river to ocean and back again. Thanks for joining Sandy on her incredible journey. Remember, every journey is special, and each one teaches us something new. Subscribe for more amazing adventures.